How to buy XRP on KuCoin. So for that, you need to open up your KuCoin account, then click on trade, and over here you need to click on spot trading in order to buy XRP, or XRP or BTC pair is already there. You can just click up on it and buy XRP directly from your favorites if it is in your favorites. Otherwise, just click on spot trading, and here we need to search for XRP. Just click over here on the pairing of cryptos and search for XRP. Now all the pairs related to XRP will appear here. You can buy XRP by using USDT, or you can use USDC, KCS, Ethereum, BTC. All the options are available to you in order to purchase XRP. Suppose you want to purchase XRP using USDT, select this pair of XRP USDT. Now you need to scroll down, and over here you will find the option of buy XRP. Provide the price for which you want to purchase the XRP and type the quantity over here. And if you want to purchase it at the market price, then select market over here, and whatever price which is going on in market, your XRP will be purchased at that rate. Now you need to put the amount for which you want to buy the XRP and click on XRP. And this way you will be able to purchase XRP on KuCoin. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.